Christmas tree here at the office. Ashley is Santa's secret helper. Wait, whose name was that? We're here at Target. Do some last minute office Christmas shopping. Is Olaf really 5'4"?
I'm 4'11", so he's 5'4", then.
Wait, if he's 5'4", you have to bring it up above higher.
If he's 5'4",
that is, there's just no way. What is this? Why is it only like Santa's like his bottom half? That's so weird. What? What do you mean you wear it?
I think.
Okay, I need to get gift wrapping paper. So I'm not a fan of glitter paper because it gets everywhere. Like this is a huge no-no for me. Oh, actually this one's really cute. It's like a pineapple. Holy shit, this is like the biggest Rice Krispie treat I've ever seen in my life. You could probably die from a heart attack.
Stop, I'm making him eat it tomorrow.
Last Christmas, I gave you my heart. We got tape, we got gift wrap, we have bows. I got the labels. I've never seen her as happy as being in a Target shop.
Baby shark, do-do-do-do-do, baby shark, do-do-do-do-do.
This girl lives for Target.
Well, because that is the...
So initially we came here for only 2 things and we ended up with Takis, Rice Krispie treats, gift wrapping paper. Only thing I can fit in this car. Do, 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 do. So we are here at the Lip Lab by Bite Beauty, and we have a private event today. This is pretty. So what colors are you gonna choose?
This one.
I love it.
It's called Ash.
Wait, this is Brianna's and Ash?
Very similar.
It is really similar.
So I'm trying
love
to
those colors.
do a hybrid of the two.
So she's going with the color that matches her hair. Colored by James. Adding his tags all here. What we got here? Oh.
Got this half of a Lego tree.
Oh.
That's supposed to be like one.
That's really cute. So far we have the base built. Nice job. I can never do this. I'm really bad at stuff like this. I would probably lose half of the stuff in here. I'm gonna get ready and do my makeup for tonight's holiday party.
Merry Christmas.
We got matching ones. Hello. Whoa. Oh, no way. Whoa. No. Holy crap.
We have a problem.
There's more?
You're making me work for this. This is what I got for Chin. He's our graphic designer at
This is cute. I like it.
like it?
It's dope.
my Phil's coffee.
Cheers.
Look who we found on the streets.
Oh my god, can we join you?
Thank you. Yay.
Oh my god, I can't stop! How do I stop?
Okay, I'm scared. Hey, grab her hand. Grab her other hand. I'm scared. I'm scared.
It works for both of you guys.
We're all competing about my gift is gonna be the best gift.
No!
It's perfect. It's perfect for each other. I think both of you will like each other's gifts. Love it, actually.
Nah, just pick one, man!
Oh my god.
Just pick one.
I'm gonna go with crystals.
Oh! Sorry, I'm so excited.
I'm gonna go with you.
Okay. I had a feeling
Ha!
I knew you were gonna
Ha! She has taste.
go. Okay, are you saying my gift is also taste?
I also picked Michelle's gift.
What? Whatever.
Michelle say taste.
Soy is tastemaker.
Yes. And I choose Michelle's gift 100%.
I love that we're competing.
We're gonna give it this week or whatever. So all will be revealed.
How's the pizza? Oh boy. I'll show you how food blogging eats pizza. Ready?
Yeah, go.
Go,
Do it. How you do it, Soy?
2, 3.
Just kidding. Wait, let me see.
It looks like the tiara.
Wait, can I see? Soy's gonna see yours. Oh my gosh.
Wow. Couple goals. It's cute when I do this, right?
I am blending in with this floor, but I just arrived at Fine Brothers Studio and I'm gonna do a reaction. The iconic React wall. So I just received the last few packages for all the Christmas gifts. Good luck.